Okay, so today we'll learn how to make a Chrome extension. So the first step we want to do is make a folder, and I already gone and done that, so of course this is new folder, and I named it Chrome Demo. Next what we're going to do is open up Visual Studio Code. If you don't have it, I'll have a link in the description. And we're going to want to open up that file, open up that folder. And I already went ahead and I made these files, all the files you're going to need. I'll talk to you about these. So you need to go make a manifest.json file. All you do is file, new file, and you save as manifest, manifest.json. I already did it, so I'm going to cancel this one out. And the manifest.json is basically like you telling Google all the parameters about your Chrome extension. So the manifest version is 2. We'll just leave that at that. We don't really need to explain that right now. Name of the Chrome extension we'll have as demo. Description. This will be like in the Chrome store, like the description when people want to buy it. So we'll just put it. It is a demo. Version number. You could put almost anything you want for this. I recommend 0.0.1. And then every time you want to update, you could just increment this number. Author is going to be, of course, business. And next thing we need to move on to is content scripts. Basically, content scripts has to do with the pop-up, and I'll show you that in a minute. Make sure you have all this. This is very important. And also, this basically matches, like if we click on our Chrome extension, it'll open up on all tabs that have HTTP in it. Next, we have background. So for a background script, I just have pop-up.js in here. And make sure you copy all these brackets and things. Oops. Next we have browser action, and so this is our default title for it. We should have demo title, so you guys can tell the difference. And the default pop-up, as I was saying before, it's a pop-up when you click the actual Chrome extension. We're going to name this index.html. So we want to make all these files: pop-up.js, index.html, content.js, and of course manifest.json. You want to have to Control S. You make sure you save all of these, and then move to index.html. So this is my setup. You may want to copy this, especially this part. Make sure you have that in. That basically tells our HTML file to also incorporate the content.js script. So let's actually go more content.js. So what we're going to want to do is create a variable, and we're going to name it our main div. And it's going to equal document dot create element div. So basically what this does is it sets this variable as a div, and it makes the div. But it hasn't actually made it yet. It's kind of just there in the variable. What we have to do is we have to actually append it. So we could do main div dot append child main div. So this should append it, and what you're going to want to do actually is open up your extensions tab, and you want to click developer mode on. Make sure that's on. You want to load unpacked and click your Chrome demo. I already did that, and it should pop up just like this. You got to refresh, and let's go to, see this demo title there. That's our title. Click it, and we shall inspect. So we have that did not actually work, and I think I know why. I think we actually do need a div in here. So we're just gonna do this div, and we're gonna name this ID equals to large div, large div for now, because I'm running out of div names. And what you're gonna want to do is you're going to want to actually put that div into a variable. So we could do var, and I think I named it large div. Large div equals document dot create element. Actually, I'm sorry. Dot get element by ID, and we put the ID as large div. Okay, so what we could actually do now is just append. We could take this div and append it, which means that this div will basically be the parent of this child div. And so when we have our errors here. This okay. So when we go back in here, let's pray. We have our large div, and inside large div we have our div. So it did work. Let's actually give us an ID so it'd be easier to look at the console or the HTML. So we'll just do .id equals and whatever we want. So I'm just gonna do main div, just so we know. And then let's say we want to make this link to one of our social medias. We'll do var, and we'll just do opening equals document dot create element p. Now this creates a paragraph. So we'll just do opening dot inner HTML, and this basically just sets the text. So we'll make it to reach my social medias. Okay, and then what we have to do is we have to do main div dot append child opening, and this will put it inside that div. Hopefully, actually, and what we want to do first actually is make this body. We're going to style actually, and we're going to do body, and we're going to make the width of this equal to, I'd say, about 350 px. This will just increase this little small thing over here. And if we do that, there we go. It's a lot bigger. Reach my social medias. There we go. It's in there. Next, what we could do is we could put an image there. So we just replace the P with image, and we make the source equal to our file. I like to do // file, and then we'll do Insta. So this will be an Insta thing, and we'll just put Instagram PNG, and we'll just download that here. And then we'll just save it into, make sure you save it into your Chrome demo file. And we'll name it something easy, so just Insta. And then what you want to do is just literally put insta.png, and hopefully shows up. Maybe we need to refresh. What did I do wrong? Oh, I see what I did. Make sure you change all the variables. Very common problems. Oh, see how big that is. So we can actually change this in our index.html. So we'll just do image. Let's change all the images. We'll do image width equal, what am I doing? We'll set it to 50 px, see how that looks maybe. Can't type today. Okay, definitely looks a lot better. And actually, we don't need this much, so we'll just put this at 250. And the font looks terrible. So, oh my gosh. So we'll just change that to, let's do font size as 20 px. 20 px probably looks really nice. We'll do color. We'll set this as maybe a blue. And that's all we'll put for now. Let's see if it looks nice. Probably won't look too nice. Definitely does not look nice, but you know, it's a beginner tutorial. We'll just put that there for now. Okay, so now we're not actually going to link this to our social medias, although we can do that. Let's just make this actually a button, I'm thinking. Or, you know what? Well, actually, sorry guys, we're going to actually get rid of this. We're going to change the button. We're going to make this dot inner HTML equals to Insta. And then we're going to do this. So, just so you guys get a little more information, more knowledge, we'll do Insta dot add event listener, click, comma, whatever function we're going to go into. So we'll do go to Insta. So we'll do a go to Insta like this. Let me just explain this a little bit. So what we're doing is we're saying on the click of this button, add event listener, which basically add this event listener. So if it's clicked, then go to this function. So we're going to go to Insta, and then inside of go to Insta, I think we'll just make it actually, well, we're going to do this. We're going to delete the image. So we're going to do insta.parent node.remove child insta. This just removes it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to actually just append something else for you guys. So we're going to do var, we're going to do p2, very bad variables name, but I don't feel like coming up with them right now. Document.create element p, and then p2.inner.html is going to equal, sorry, this link does not work. And then we're going to obviously append this from the main div dot append child p2. So now, I'm sorry, I forgot to add function. That's pretty stupid. You're going to refresh, and when you click Insta, sorry, this link does not work. Now, I don't want to make this too complicated if you're a beginner at Java or a beginner at Chrome extensions. Just to get down a little bit of the basics. Pop-up.js might be a little more complicated, and I just wanted to stick to this right now. I almost forgot one thing. If you guys want to publish this, you actually have to go to this. You have to go to Chrome. So you're going to have to pay $5, and it's only a one-time fee, so it doesn't really matter that much. And actually, let me log into my, so a lot of my private information was up there, so I just had to kind of close it a little bit. So what you would want to do is add new item, choose a file, and you want to go to your Chrome demo. You would want to actually compress it first, though. I'm sorry, kind of forgot that step. So you just want to go to here, send to compressed zip folder. So here it is. This is the compressed zip folder. And then you just want to go back into Chrome, choose file, just go to this, quick access, Chrome demo, and you want to hit upload. This won't take too long. And then here you go where you actually edit everything. So this was where you would update. So you basically just change the version number up one and upload the package. So you just want to load in something else. Description is going to show up in the Chrome Web Store. Icon. So this will be like actually on the store, and I believe right here too. Screenshots also on the store. And then category, I don't really know too much about the categories. You could change the price here, change your language, and then you want to list public, and you want to publish changes. This will publish to the web store, probably take about an hour maybe, and then you'll be done. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in another one.